Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So if you are new here, please do consider subscribing to the channel. What we do have planned for today is to link up again with my friend Tyler. Tyler is the guy with the white championship edition type R. So we're basically just going to do a follow-up. Like I mentioned in the previous video, he is going to do some mods. So what Tyler did do is, I think he poured and polished his intake and did a J35 throttle body. So he just went to go get that parts, and then a friend of ours, a mutual friend of ours, is going to basically fit the parts. And then after that, I think Sharaj from Performance Solutions is going to do the tune, and I'm going to try to tag you guys along for that as well. So yeah, that is basically what we do have planned for today. So let's get going. Yo guys, I just arrived at Tyler's place. It's Tyler over there. So like I said, I'm just going to show you guys what the parts look like and what the engine bay looks like. Obviously it's covered up. So to my understanding, this has been ported by Mike Dixon. This is the intake. So that has been polished and ported. Basically I think it's 2 mil. And then also what he did mention is that this is a J35 throttle body. So I'm not quite sure of what car this actually comes from, but to my understanding the J35 it's already 68 mil bigger, or 68 watts in diameter, and then they basically take the 2 mil off this. So as you guys can see over here, it's basically how can I say, schemed so that it makes it a bit bigger. To my understanding, in FN2 or K series, they usually like breathing mods, so this will help with some power as well. So like I mentioned earlier on, is that we're only going to assemble the parts by tomorrow, and then tune the car on Monday, I think. So this is basically what the parts look like, guys. This is also the back part that basically goes over here, and as you guys can see on the inside over here, you can even see still needs to be cleaned a little. So yeah, this is being poured and polished, and then it's also just waiting for the tappet cover as well. So yeah, this is basically just a quick update on the car. We can't really do anything right now without the tappet cover, and then like I mentioned, by Monday the car will be tuned and we will maybe go for a little bit of a drive as well. So I'm just going to give you guys maybe a cinematics of the parts right here and what the car looks like right now as well. Hello guys, I just rocked up now to Siraj's workshop. Tyler also just pulled up now. I also see he has a Mark IV Supra as well, so you guys are in for a surprise. How are you, bro? Say, Tyler.
Ah, charging pin is low. Ah,
Is it? Okay guys, so I just arrived at the garage place right now. Performance Solution. And Tyler here with me. And we call the Dyno. Tyler predicts that we would like to make 171, what? 170 plus. 170 plus. But yeah, we're gonna see about that. Yo my dudes, so it is actually still the same day. However, because we did not get much footage at Performance Solutions, I'm going to take you guys along now for a little bit of a photo shoot with Tyler and a few Type R's, and I think there might be a DC5 as well. The reason actually why there was not much filming done at Performance Solutions is because I was actually under the impression that the Dyno tune was actually going to be done there. However, Tyler did mention that this morning Herman did the tune on his car. So Herman is actually responsible for the whole tune on the car, etc. However, I was not available, as well as Tyler was not available. So I'll just try to get a video from their side and maybe add it to this video as well. So yeah, because I did not film much at Performance Solutions as well, I thought I might just take you guys along and maybe extend this video and show you guys a few runs as well. Also, the car wasn't performing as good because of the heat as well. So tonight is going to be a little bit of a nighttime run, and maybe I can get a few pulls for you guys and show you guys some Type R's as well. So yeah, I'm going to head over to Tyler and then we're going to meet up with a few other cats. So let's go. Ek ry nou so op die third though. Okay.